Hey guys, welcome in. Appreciate you coming in. Yep, same shirt, shooting it right after the potato video, but that's okay. I want to show you the cucumbers and what I'm going to do to help my little buddies out over here, because we're already getting hot down here. It's going to get like, I think 90 this afternoon. Had a nice cool overcast morning, but it's starting to get it's going to start getting really hot in the afternoons, I think. So my cucumbers, I'm going to show you them. They don't like it so much. The cucumbers are kind of a delicate kind of plant that don't like really, they like direct sun, but not hard sun that really beats down on them. So I'm going to show you what I do, and I'm going to do that now to take care of that, to protect my little buddies from the sun. So we're midday now. We're right about 1 o'clock, and I'm going to give these guys a drink, and they will perk up, but they get really hot, get really droopy, and it's not good for them to, even though I'm going to give them a drink and get them perked back up, for them to go into this kind of shock every day. And I will be hooking up the water here this coming week, so it will be more uniform on how they get watered and stuff, but I still need to give them a little bit of protection. So I have set this up last year where I have the trellis going up the back, and it extends up a little ways. And the reason I have this frame on there, I have another panel that I use. So I will zip tie it to that one back there and lay it down over this frame that I have built. And then the cucumbers can grow up this trellis, and then they can end up growing back toward the front here. So after I get that panel put up, then I have a shade cloth that I got specifically last year to go over the top of the cucumbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna get those guys a drink first. So I got the shade cloth up on top over the cucumbers. It is above the trellis up here, so the cucumbers, it won't interfere with the cucumbers growing and climbing out the trellises. So they'll come up and grow out and come out this way on the trellis out toward the front. So yeah, I don't have the water on them yet. They are looking much better now that they're not getting stressed every day. Most of them, well, all of them have a grip on the trellis, except for this guy, but he has a grip on the string, so he'll be headed over to the trellis pretty quick. So looking better, and they're doing better now that they're not getting stressed on a daily basis. All right, so that's another project that we got done. I'm working on today and tomorrow to try to get the rest of my drip irrigation hooked back up like I want it. The main system is always in. You just have to change the emitters and stuff on the ends and set them up based on where you put your plants. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up here. That would be really cool if you did that. And as always, I want you to know I really appreciate you guys coming in and watching my stuff. It means a lot to me. So we'll see you on the next one. See ya.